Most people use their phone to mindlessly scroll. What you don't realise is you can actually use it to make money very easily. And today I'm going to show you 5 real ways to make money just using your phone. No laptop, no fancy equipment, and no experience needed. These are beginner friendly, completely legitimate, and perfect if you want to earn a bit of extra cash in your free time. Let's get into it. Method 1. Paid task and gamified earning apps. So the first method is incredibly easy to start, and that's through using paid task and reward apps. And yes, they do genuinely pay you money. Apps like Swagbucks, Google Surveys, Rakuten, and Playtest Cloud let you earn money by playing mobile games, testing apps, completing surveys, earning cashback, and trying offers. They then pay you through PayPal or crypto or gift cards. For example, if you log on to Swagbucks, there are a ton of surveys you can complete which will add SB to your account. When this builds up, it essentially equates to, I believe, 1 penny per Swagbuck, and you probably want to avoid the surveys that give you like 5 Swagbucks. And there are some on there that give you a lot more per survey, and they don't take long. If you really are just sitting around doing nothing and you want to earn some extra cash, this is a great way of doing it. I have a referral link to Swagbucks and Rakuten below if you want to earn extra money, so check that out now. But as long as you spend some level of time on it, you probably bring in between £5 to £40 per week. That seems to be the average, which won't make you quit your day job, but it is a bit of extra income that you generate from nowhere. So turn that downtime into money. Method 2. Sell digital products from your phone. So next is selling digital products, and yes, you can do that directly from your phone, as you can create them entirely through apps like Canva. So using the Canva mobile app, you can easily make printable planners, phone wallpapers, social media templates, journals, digital stickers, and Notion templates. It's then super easy to list them on Etsy or Gumroad or Payhip. And the great part about this is if you create this once and it starts to sell, you don't need to create it again. There's an unlimited stock. You might have to create a range of digital products in order to get one of them to pop off. But if you do, it will just generate you passive income. And the Canva mobile app is fairly easy to use. And if you have a lot of free time, you can just play around with it until you create something that is quite unique and then just look to sell that. And the good thing about this is you set the price. So do a bit of research on how much people are really offering for this and try and match that. Method 3, TikTok and Reels UGC. So UGC is user-generated content. Now this is incredibly useful because brands are looking for people to try out their products and they want to use that video for an ad or a review. So they will pay you to create videos for it, even if you don't have a massive following or audience. As brands are literally paying everyday people to do this, not just influencers. You don't need followers, you don't need a fancy camera, you just film product clips or short reviews. For example, unboxing this new water bottle, testing the top-rated skincare from Amazon. Here's how this phone stand works. You can find these jobs on places like Fiverr, Upwork, Trend.io, and brands can contact you directly if you have a platform, but a single video can pay you from £50 to £300 depending on the brand, as they just need content. It's best to get into this now, just in case AI takes over this and they start using AI influencers, which wouldn't be good. But right now there's a small time window that you can get into this and do this, and hopefully real UGC, real people will stay. Method 4. Microtask freelancing apps. So another way you can earn money using just your phone is freelance microtasks. So you can offer a ton of small services that you can do for your phone. This can be caption writing, AI assisted writing, social media management, basic video edits using CapCut on your phone, Canva designs as we mentioned earlier, and you don't need a full computer for any of these. People run entire side businesses from their phone, and it can turn into a real income stream. There are creators that started with £10 gigs on Fiverr and now they make hundreds each month. Method 5. Selling stuff you don't use. And it sounds incredibly simple, but it works. Sell things you already own on your phone using apps like Vinted, Depop, Facebook Marketplace. You can sell a ton of things. You can sell clothing, electronics, books, home items, video games, and it doesn't take long. People will buy things pretty quickly. You can easily make a bit of extra money just doing this. This is probably the fastest way for beginners to make money because you're essentially just selling products that you already own. People are quick to buy them. All you need is your phone to list it and take pictures of it. As a bonus tip, you can use AI tools from your phone. You don't want to create AI slop, but you can use stuff like ChatGPT or Claude AI to give you ideas or help you write captions or generally help you get started. And as long as you then input your own personality into it, then it won't be low effort AI content. So get started today so you can start bringing in that extra income, as it doesn't take long at all. Thank you for watching. If you like this content, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.